Hello, my name is Sandra Davis and I'm the registered manager of Marina Care Home in Hove. We are a residential home for 9 individuals with learning disabilities and physical disabilities. The issues we were facing were our building needed a significant upgrade. Our fire doors were substandard. We'd had our assessments by our risk assessors and the local fire department, and it was agreed that we needed to install new doors. We have installed 29 doors in total. The doors have improved the environment by giving us greater protection for if we should have a fire. They are a significant upgrade on what we had in the building, and that was decided on consultation with our health and safety risk assessment and our local fire officers visit. The reason we chose Fireco was we were struggling at first to find a reputable supplier of fire doors. Obviously, being a registered care home, we needed to work with a good company who were providing us with exactly the product that we needed, so we didn't want to go just to a general builder, and I was really struggling to find a company. I found working with Fireco very good. It's been daunting and it's been an enormous job that we've had done for such a small establishment. But the engineers who've been in have been absolutely fabulous. They've been really responsive to the needs of this service, which is our service users are here every day, wanting to know what they're doing, trying to help, very often getting in the way. But they've just been superb. And it's not the easiest place to work, given that we're at full capacity whilst we were having the works done, but they've been so sensitive to the needs of the service. They've worked alongside us and been very respectful to our clients. I would wholeheartedly recommend Fireco.